Contracted form. Full form. Let's, let us, shan't, shall not, they've, they have, weren't, were not, where, we are, can't, cannot, where's, where is, what are, there's, there is. Chit-Chat. Question 1. Have you got a prize in any competition? Answer: yes, I have. In my school, I have participated in many competitions, such as drawing, poetry recitation, sports, etc. I have won prizes a few times. However, there were also times when, despite performing well, BIT did not win any prize. Question 2. How did you feel at that time? Answer: I used to be overjoyed when I won prizes, but upset when I did not win any, in spite of doing well. Question 3. Have you ever failed in your efforts? Answer: yes, there were times when I did not win, as I had not prepared well for the competition. For example, I had taken part in the running race last year, but had not practiced before the sports day. Hence, I couldn't run as fast as the others. Eventually, I lost the race that day due to lack of efforts on my part. Question 4. Do you think we should accept success as well as failure? Answer: yes, success and failure are two sides of the same coin. Though we must put all our efforts to win, we must also take failure with a smile and learn from it. This will help us perform better the next time. Question 5. What will be your reaction if you are not selected in a team? Answer: if I have practiced hard and still don't get selected in a team, I would be hurt. But I would try to learn something from it. I would cheer for the ones who are selected and wish them luck. Also, I would not give up. I would use the time to better my skills and perform well the next time, so that I too would be selected in the team. Note: the above answers are for reference. Student 8th English 1.1. Be the best warming up answers. Question 1. A. Read aloud the following sets of words. A. River, stream, sea, ocean. B. Hill, stone, mountain, rock. C. Plant, sapling, tree, seed. D. Child, adult, baby, youth. D. Answer: A. River, stream, sea, ocean. B. Hill, stone, mountain, rock. C. Plant, sapling, tree, seed. D. Child, adult, baby, youth. B. Rearrange each of the above sets of words according to the increasing order of their size/growth. A. Answer: stream, river, sea, ocean. NG. B. Answer: stone, rock, hill, mountain. C. Answer: seed, sapling, plant, tree. D. Answer: baby, child, youth, adult. Question 2. In your pre-primary classes, you must have learned the story of the lion and the mouse. Read it in English and fill in the gaps using the words given in the box. A lion was sleeping in a mouse started playing on him. The lion got up, he caught the mouse and was ready to eat. Begged the lion to leave it and said that someday it would. The lion, and let it go. One day, the lion was in a net set up by hunters. He loudly as he tried too hard to escape. G. The mouse, the lion, and came it up the net with its sharp teeth and said the lion, help, angrily, caught, forest, mouse, kill, road, free, chewed, heard, laughed. Moral of the story. Answer: a lion was sleeping in a forest. A mouse started playing on him. The lion got up angrily. He caught the mouse and was ready to kill it. The mouse begged the lion to leave it and said that someday it would help the lion. The lion laughed and let it go. One day the lion was caught in a net set up by hunters. He roared loudly as he tried too hard to escape. The mouse heard the lion and came. It chewed up the net with its sharp teeth and set the lion free. Moral of the story: being kind and helpful is a great virtue. What is the main difference between a pine tree and a scrub? Answer: the main difference between a pine tree and a scrub is that the pine tree is tall and grows on the hills, whereas the scrub is short, arid, grows in the valleys by the side of the rill. What do people like to see along the highway? Answer: people like to see a bit of grass along the highway. What is the message given at the end? Answer: the poem conveys a powerful message that irrespective of our differences and limitations, we need to be the best at whatever we do.